is David Zahn, Robley Insurance and Claim Show once again, and I want to talk to you a little bit about shopping your insurance. Bold statement, shopping your insurance is usually, if you don't do it the exact right way, it's usually bad for you. What ends up happening is bad for you, and I want to explain that. So let's say you have an agent and you really like the agent. They do a good job for you, good service, good coverage, those kinds of things, and maybe hopefully they have even a safety partnership with you and they're communicating that back to the insurance company. A lot of times you might not have that, but let's say you do and you really like them, but also you want to keep everything on. You want to keep them honest, let's say, and you want to bring in a couple other people. Well, what happens a lot of times, if you see my earlier video on the size of the trucking market, this will make sense. There's not a whole lot of insurance companies that insure trucking. As a matter of fact, I could probably fit them all on this one 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So what happens a lot of times is maybe you have 2 or 3 other agents quote your insurance, or they want to gather information and quote your insurance. And what they do is they go out and blast the market. So what ends up happening is they all end up blocking each other and getting each other's way, and your current agent is looking to actually quote your insurance as well because maybe he wants to do his due diligence, his or her due diligence, but they go out into the market and everything's blocked up. And now what ends up usually happening a lot of times is you end up with the same thing that you had before because everyone's tripping over each other. Nothing good happens for you. Your agent may not like it, which is understandable because he might have been able to get you he or she might have been able to get you a better situation, but wasn't able to because all the markets were blocked. So something I strongly suggest is market assignment, first of all, which is if you're going to shop your insurance, go ahead and let your current agent have a pick of the markets he or she wants, and then if you have like 1 or 2 other agencies in, assign markets to them. Maybe ask them what markets they want and then divvy it up between them. I would strongly suggest not having more than 2 other insurance agencies for a total of 3, including your current agent. It just becomes too much work for you, too many people involved, too many cooks in the kitchen, as they say. Also, another good piece of advice I feel like that I've learned over the years is don't always pick a market, pick an agent. Because again, most of the time, not all the time, but most of the time, all of us have a lot of the same markets. So that's what we do. We spend a lot of time talking about safety and talking about the real sustainable way to reduce your insurance costs, which quite frankly has little to do with the market that you're with and more to do with you and your CSA scores and your loss ratio and what you're doing from a safety standpoint and how that's communicated back to insurance. So I would always encourage people to listen to that narrative from all the agents and what they're doing to really assist and partner with them from a safety standpoint to make them more attractive to the insurance markets. So hope you found this helpful today. Again, my name is David Zahn, Robley Insurance and Claim Shield, and until next time, safety up, cost down.